Welcome to this 15-minute full body Yoga Nidra. In this short practice, we will calm and restore the nervous system. Begin in a reclined or a supine position on your back, as in Shavasana, stretching out all your limbs and making yourself as comfortable as possible using blankets and pillows to prop up the knees or the neck, the head, as feels comfortable. Make sure that you are nice and warm and make any adjustments that feel well. For this practice, we will achieve a state of consciousness that is between waking and sleepfulness, that will allow the body to relax completely and restore the nervous system to its calm, even, natural state. Begin by relaxing the face, releasing the jaw, all the muscles around the eyes, the whole face. Relax all the tension out of your scalp and your neck. Let your neck melt into the surface below you. Relax your shoulders, your shoulder blades, and your chest. Relax your both arms and all 10 fingers. Relax your upper back. Feel your lower back as it releases all holding. Release your torso and your abdomen, your pelvis. Feel your buttocks releasing all tension. Feel your thighs melting into the surface below you, your calves, and both feet growing heavy as all of the stored tension melts away. Feel your whole body becoming very relaxed, very heavy. Now set a sankalpa, an intention. This can be a bigger goal that you're working towards, or it can be focused on this practice, such as, I relax completely. I allow my body to let go. Now we'll begin a rotation of consciousness, focusing all of the awareness towards one body part at a time. This allows you to stay in a completely relaxed state while your awareness has something to focus on. Let's begin by focusing all of our awareness on the tip of the tongue, the center of the tongue, the root of the tongue, the inside of the right cheek, the inside of the left cheek, the entire jaw, the middle of the forehead, the back of the neck, the collarbones, your right shoulder, the right upper arm, the forearm, palm of the hand, the back of the hand, your thumb, first finger, the second finger, the third finger, the fourth finger, the whole hand, the wrist, your elbow, the entire right arm, the left shoulder, the left upper arm, the forearm, the palm of your hand, the back of your hand, the thumb, the first finger, the second finger, the third finger, the fourth finger, the fifth finger, your wrist, the elbow, the entire left arm, the heart center, the abdomen, the pelvis, the upper back, the mid back, the lower back area, the buttocks, the top of the left thigh, the back of the left thigh, the left knee, the shin, and the calf, the entire ankle, the top of the foot, the bottom of the foot, the big toe, second toe, third toe, the fourth toe, the fifth toe, the entire left leg, the top of the right thigh, the back of the right thigh, the knee, the calf, your shin, the entire ankle, the heel of the foot, the sole of the foot, the entire top of the foot, the big toe, the second toe, the third toe, the fourth toe, the fifth toe, the entire right leg, both legs, the entire body. Feel the entire body relaxed and calm. And now feel your breath relaxed and normal, no forcing. And we'll count back from 10. Inhale 10, exhale 9, inhale 8, exhale 7, inhale 6, exhale 5, inhale 4, exhale 3, Inhale 2, exhale 1. Allow your breath to be normal and relaxed. Now visualize a sunny meadow, soft green grass, the sun touching your skin, the smells of fragrant flowers, a waterfall splashing nearby, and allow yourself to explore the flowers, the birds softly chirping, butterflies flitting around, and allow your body to feel the calm and peace of this warm meadow. And we will now return to the sankalpa we set earlier in the practice. And silently to yourself repeat your sankalpa 3 times. Slowly, gently bring your awareness to the feeling of the surface underneath your body. Feel the breath as it moves gently in and out of your lungs, in and out of your nostrils. Feel your body in this beautiful, relaxed state. Begin to move your toes and fingers very gently. Maybe move your neck side to side. Stretching gently into your body. And now let's take 3 deep breaths together. We'll take 2 sips in through the nose. And exhale through the mouth. Again. And one more time. And allow your breath to return to normal. Lie here for as long as you'd like and allow your body to soak in these benefits. Welcome the feeling of relaxation and welcome a feeling of gratitude for the wonderful feelings in your body and gratitude for yourself for taking this time to treat your body well and create wellness within you. My name is Aviana, and I thank you for joining me today for this wonderful Yoga Nidra practice. You can find new Yoga Nidra recordings each week on my channel, Learning Yoga with Aviana. Take these benefits with you through the rest of your day. Namaste.